Hi everyone. I hope you're as excited as I am about the Olympics starting this weekend. I have lots and lots of interesting facts to share with you about the Olympics, so I hope you enjoy this assembly. So what do the five different rings mean in the Olympics? So I'd like you to consider that each one represents a different continent. We have this. We've got all the different rings that represent the continents where all the athletes are from around the world. Why is it called Tokyo 2020 when we all know that right now it's 2021? Well, because of the pandemic, they had to postpone the games from last year, and they decided to keep the same name and keep the official planned titles of all the events. It's been really exciting to see how the Olympic Organizing Committee has tried to keep the environment at the front of their planning for the Olympics. Their goal is to have carbon-neutral games, and this means that they have looked really carefully at all the different resources they'll be using. The medals are made from recycled electronic waste with gold, silver, bronze. Uniforms and podiums are made of recycled plastic. They're using electric vehicles where possible. All the wood they've used was sustainably sourced and will be reused for communities around Japan after the games are done. And the electricity they use will also come from renewable sources such as biomass and hydroelectricity. Every time we have the Olympics, there are sports that apply to join, and it makes you wonder, why do some sports not get the chance to participate? And this is because the Olympics have some strict rules about how many people around the world are interested and involved in the sport before they're allowed to participate. So in order to become part of the Olympics, you have to apply and you have to show that men in at least 75 countries on 4 continents and women in at least 40 countries on 3 continents do participate in the sports. And this makes us wonder, who made it this year? We have a lot to be proud of in Botswana, as the Olympic Committee is sending 13 athletes to Tokyo this year. And with a population of just 2 million people, that is a really incredible statistic. So cruise through my next few slides and have a look at which athletes are participating in which sports. My first story is a little bit sad, as it shares the details of a superfan who's not going to be able to attend the Olympics this year. My second story is more inspirational. This year there will be 29 refugees competing at the Olympics. Refugees get the opportunity to compete not under their own national flag because of different reasons, but they will compete under the Olympic flag. And the opportunity is absolutely incredible for people who have been through some of the most difficult circumstances that we can imagine. So look out for these athletes as you watch the games over the next 2 weeks.